All right, next up, I've got Jamison. Going to crack open NT football. Start off, first box. Good luck, buddy. All right, Jameis Winston to 99 base. To 75, Carlos Hyde. To 99, dual jersey, Samaje Perine. To 99, Dave Wilcox. I don't know if I've ever seen a Dave Wilcox piece. 49ers. Colossal. Jumbo jersey, Steve Largent. To 99, triple, Fournette, McCaffrey, and Cook. Autograph to 49, Adoree Jackson. All right, rookie patch autograph. Number 299 is John Ross. Nice three-color patch. 86 of 99, just missed the jersey number. We have a Mel Renfro. 8 of 25. Autograph, and you're going to like this one. Booklet. Saw one of these last night. 59 of 99, Mr. Pat Mahomes. Three-color patch. Got a little barbecue stain on there, too. Mr. Pat Mahomes. Nice, man. All right, great hit. If you like anything else, just holler at me. Let me know. Appreciate it, buddy.